Hey guys, it's Lightning Bolt 99999, and I just wanted to point out a pretty big fail that happened here during the National Emergency Alert System test. This station is WBBM TV in Chicago. It's Chicago's CBS affiliate. Now watch what happens. It plays the right audio for the national test, but instead the scroll at the top of the screen is a scroll for an Amber Alert that happened about a week ago.
Ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers, including lymphoma, have happened, as have blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new or worsening heart failure.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the flavors: chicken, beef,
Roasted garlic.
And then it just cuts off and it's somebody talking about steak sauce or some shit. Later on, after it cuts off, later on the show comes back on, and the exact thing happens. It's continuing the Amber Alert scroll from where it left off before.
The 1-year-old Helmuth Kolb sat down next to her and her daughter on a bench.
And then it cuts off again. So, yeah, I don't know what happened here, but that was a pretty strange error.